This is Just Coffee Cooperative. We are testing the air quality of our facility, particularly around the roasting process and around the grinding process.
Well, I'm Gene Rayer, and I'm representing Industrial Hygiene System, and we're doing the air monitoring for the diacetyl to determine what the employees might be exposed to as they're working with coffee.
Today we had a person come in and inspect the air quality here around both of the roasters. We were hooked up with some sort of a probe and a vial that sucked air out of the atmosphere around us.
What do you think? It works so far. I mean,
Diacetyl and 2,3-pentadiene are found in coffee and they're found in butter. So it's the question is if there's sufficient here to cause damage.
I was unaware that there was even an issue in the industry, and so for us this is really interesting to see how we rate, but maybe more importantly, making sure that our employees are safe who are working here.
We're going to stick this on you so that it, as best we can, represents the air that you're breathing in through your nose.
Diacetyl causes a lung disease. It causes your bronchioles to, I shouldn't use the word disintegrate, but essentially they break down. It's a very strong irritant.
So for us, this is a really great opportunity to look at something that seems to be emerging within the coffee industry as a problem and making sure that we don't have issues here, and if we do have issues here, to correct those issues as quickly and efficiently as we can.
I thought it was a good idea because I would like to know what I'm being exposed to. This is my career. I've been doing it over a decade, and I am concerned about my health in the future.
Everyone has really approached it with a very healthy curiosity. I think we all know just from working here every day, nobody's going home sick. From what I know of these issues within the industry, the people who are working here, I think we'd see it by now. But maybe we wouldn't, and obviously everyone wants to know for their own curiosity and for their own safety, want to make sure the conditions are good here. So
it's a permanent damage that's caused to the lungs. The only cure for it is a lung transplant, which isn't a very common transplant.
I imagine that if it turns out that there's a borderline problem or there is a problem, I would hope that we do a little bit more testing just to make sure that the test results are what we feel like they are.
Companies need to be proactive and figure out what their employees might be exposed to try to keep them safe.
If the results were bad, that would have consequences for the entire coffee industry, not just here where I work. I like doing what I do. It's my passion life, so I hope I can continue doing that.